Hey guys, Rubber Tramp Renegade. Sorry it's been a while since I made a video. I could go into a long explanation on kind of what's been going on, but just the simple truth of it, I've just been really busy with work. You guys know I sell real estate, and the real estate market is good. I did start my own company 2 years ago. Things are picking up. I've taken on 7 agents since I've opened, so there's 8 of us now. Things are just growing and going really well. So I can't complain other than I've just been really busy and haven't had a whole lot of time to do what I've wanted to do, but I'm starting to see light at the end of the tunnel. Things are starting to become steady, and I think I'm going to be able to step away for just a little bit and explore and see some things. But I've kind of put the van build on hold. So I did get the floor in. I don't think I've showed you that. I got the floor in and insulation on the sides, but I haven't done much other than that, But I ended up buying a Toyota Tacoma pickup, and I'll show you that truck probably in the next video. And I'm probably going to do the overlanding thing for a little while, build either a truck camper or do the rooftop tent. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to go with the build, but with that being said, I am going to sell the van. So I know last time that I sold the van, I really didn't give you guys an opportunity. Some of you kind of were a little upset. So I think it's only fair to make this video and offer the van to my viewers. I am located in Western Kentucky. You can email me at rubbertramprenegade@gmail.com. So anyways, what I have, it's a 89 Ford Econoline E250. It's a 3/4 ton. It has the 460 big block in it. It's got plenty of power. It's a good running van. It does have a slight oil leak. Nothing too bad. I think it's the rear main seal. Haven't had too much trouble with that. You just have to watch the oil level. Like I said, it's just a little bitty oil leak, not too bad. It does not have air conditioning. The van did come with air conditioning, but the previous owner disconnected it. I guess the air compressor was locking up, so they bypassed the air compressor, the air conditioning compressor, with a different belt. So there's a shorter belt on it, just kind of bypassing that. You could get a kit and put AC back on the van, but as for now, it does not have AC. It does have heat. The tires are in decent shape. You might need some tires soon, but they all hold air, and as far as that goes, probably could use some brakes. The brakes squeak. They do hold. But probably need some brake pads and some brake shoes. But there is no rust on this van whatsoever. I keep it inside the garage. The back door seals here leak just a little tiny bit, but you can order those off of Rock Auto. I believe is where I saw them for about $40 a door. So pop out windows on the side and the back, and on the other side it's got a slider here. And I told you I put the floor down, plywood floor. I put some insulation in the walls there. Here's the panels that were in the sides in case you wanted to trace them out for new paneling. I've got some 2x4s, 3 sheets of plywood, and a couple pieces of paneling that I was going to build all the cabinetry with. That all goes with the van. I've got the roof rack bars. I've repainted them. There's some leftover insulation if you wanted that, but I mean the headliner in this van is great. The interior is great. I don't know if you can, how much you can see at the front there. I'll open up this side door so you can see in. Panels are in good shape. The carpet's in good shape. Look, these seats look brand new, and like I said, this is a 1989. The odometer's showing like 90,000. I think it's probably 190,000. I don't know, but this van runs and drives good. It did have a busted fender. When I got it, it was wrecked just on that fender, so I did change that, and I did put a new chrome bumper on it. You can watch a video of that on my channel if you hadn't seen that yet, but I'm going to offer this thing up for what I paid for it. $2,500. I think it's a fair price on the van, and if you're interested, come check it out, come drive it. I'm in Western Kentucky, so email me for details, rubbertramprenegade@gmail.com. I'd like to offer it up to you guys for first chance at it. I'll leave this video up for 2 or 3 weeks. Once it sells, I'll either delete this video or I'll make another video explaining that the van is sold. So you have any questions, let me know. I'd like to see this van go to somebody who's going to use it because it's not doing any good just sitting in the garage. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Y'all have a good one.